Welcome to English Language Academy. Join us to learn more vocabulary in easy ways and to practice daily English conversations to improve your English language skills. Let's enjoy. Let's go. The video is 5 parts. The first part, travel conversation.
Have you ever been to Asia?
Yes, I have ever been to Asia.
Which country did you visit?
I visited Thailand.
Have you tried Thai food?
Yes, I have. It was delicious.
What did you eat?
Pad Thai and green curry.
Have you seen the Grand Palace in Bangkok?
Yes, it was amazing.
Have you ever been on a plane?
Yes, many times.
Where did you fly to?
London, New York, and Dubai.
Have you experienced jet lag?
Yes, it's terrible.
How long did it take you to recover?
It took me about 2 days.
Have you ever been lost in a foreign country?
Yes, once in Rome.
Have you ever been camping?
No, I have never been camping.
Have you ever been on a cruise?
Yes, in the Caribbean.
Did you visit any island?
Yes, Jamaica, and the Bahamas.
Have you seen any dolphins or whales?
Yes, I have seen dolphins.
Did you go scuba diving?
No, I didn't go scuba diving.
When did you go to Thailand?
I went there last year.
Why did you choose Thailand?
I wanted to experience the culture and beaches.
Who did you go with?
I went with my friends.
How long did you stay in Thailand?
I stayed for 2 weeks.
The second part, hobbies conversation.
Have you ever tried painting?
Yes, I have ever tried painting.
What kind of paintings have you made?
I have made landscapes.
Have you taken any art classes?
Yes, I have taken a few classes.
Have you ever sold a painting?
No, I have never sold a painting.
What is your hobby?
I enjoy playing guitar.
Have you ever played a musical instrument?
Yes, I have ever played the guitar.
When did you start playing guitar?
I started playing when I was 15.
How long have you played?
I have played for about 5 years.
Have you been in a band?
No, I haven't been in a band.
Why did you choose the guitar?
I was inspired by my favorite band.
Have you learned to play by yourself?
Mostly, but I took a few lessons.
How often do you practice guitar?
I try to practice At least 30 minutes a day.
Have you ever performed in public?
No, I haven't. I'm too shy.
Have you ever collected anything?
Yes, I have ever collected stamps.
How many stamps do you have?
I have hundreds.
Have you found any rare stamps?
Yes, I have found a few rare stamps.
Have you ever sold any of your stamps?
No, I haven't. I keep them all.
The third part, education conversation.
Have you ever failed a test?
Yes, I have ever failed a test.
What subject was it?
It was math.
Have you ever cheated on a test?
No, I have never cheated on a test.
What did you study in school?
I studied computer science.
When did you graduate?
I graduated in 2018.
Why did you choose computer science?
I've always been interested in technology.
Who was your favorite teacher?
Professor Smith was my favorite.
How did you feel about school overall?
I enjoyed school, but it was challenging.
Have you ever been to a school trip?
Yes, to a science museum.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I enjoyed it. It was fun.
Have you ever given a presentation in front of a class?
Yes, I have, many times.
Were you nervous?
Yes, I was a little nervous.
Have you ever won an award at school?
Yes, for best student in English.
Have you ever been bullied at school?
No, I was lucky.
Have you ever changed schools?
Yes, I have ever changed once.
Have you ever tutored someone?
Yes, my little brother.
The fourth part, career conversation.
What is your job?
I'm a software engineer.
When did you start working as a software engineer?
I started 3 years ago.
Why did you choose a career in software engineering?
I enjoy problem solving and creating things.
Who inspired you to pursue a career in tech?
My older brother is a software developer.
How do you feel about your job?
I find it challenging, but rewarding.
Have you ever had a job interview?
Yes, I have ever had several job interviews.
What was the most difficult question you were asked?
Tell me about yourself.
Have you ever been fired from a job?
No, I have never been fired from a job.
Have you ever worked overtime?
Yes, I have often worked overtime.
Have you ever had a job you really hated?
Yes, I have ever had one.
Have you ever worked in a team?
Yes, many times.
Have you ever had a disagreement with a coworker?
Yes, a few times.
Have you ever been promoted?
Yes, I have been promoted once.
Have you ever traveled for work?
Yes, a few times.
Have you ever started your own business?
No, I have never started my own business yet.
Have you ever worked from home?
Yes, during the pandemic.
Have you ever been offered a job in another country?
No, I have never been offered one.
Have you ever won an award at work?
Yes, I have won an award twice.
Have you ever changed careers?
No, I have not changed careers yet.
The fifth part, relationships conversation.
Who is your closest friend?
My best friend is Alex.
When did you meet your best friend?
We met in college.
Why are you close to your best friend?
We have a lot in common and support each other.
Who do you admire most in your life?
I admire my grandmother.
How would you describe your ideal relationship?
Trust, respect, and shared values are important.
Have you ever been in love?
Yes, I have ever been in love.
How long did the relationship last?
The relationship lasted 2 years.
Have you ever had a long-distance relationship?
No, I have never had one.
Have you ever broken someone's heart?
No, I haven't broken someone's heart.
Have you ever been cheated on?
No, thankfully.
Have you ever proposed to someone?
No, I have never proposed to someone.
Have you ever lived with a partner?
Yes, for 3 years.
Have you ever had a crush on a friend?
Maybe once or twice.
Have you ever used a dating app?
Yes, a couple of times.
Thanks for watching. I hope you really liked this video. If you could improve your English a little more with this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Encourage us to continue. See you soon. We will meet you again. Love you. Love you. Love you. Take care.